Hi everyone, so we just finished our scuba diving course here at Miyakojima, and today we are going to Yabiji.
Yabiji is the largest coral reef in Japan with 100 and so different kinds of a coral reef.
And so we're at Ikema Island today, where we've reserved a charter boat for the full day and going to go check out this amazing coral reef. So let's go. We're on our way now to the coral reef.
Yay!
The water is so blue, Miyako blue.
We arrived at our first point.
ガイドが行ってないところは絶対行かないでください。ガイド一番安全で一番綺麗に見えるところを通ってるので、ガイドが行ってないところにあっち魚いるとか通っていかないようにお願いしますね。
Getting ready for the first snorkel. The people who want to wear life jackets will be wearing life jackets.
So beautiful!
So next stop, we're gonna go and get lunch at their lunch spot. So we'll see what that's like. Just finished our second snorkel. The current was much stronger than the first place, so we just spent a lot of effort just trying to swim along and make sure we don't float away. But now we are going to the third and final spot for the day.
So in Miyakojima, when you go to sea, sometimes you can feel super cold water, but at the same time you can feel like super hot water because of the coral in this area.
On our way back to the port, we had a wonderful day of snorkeling here at Yabiji. Okay, we just got off the boat and just finished our snorkeling tour, and it was so amazing, right?
This is so amazing. The sea was so blue and different kinds of blue. Wow, oh my God, this is the best snorkeling I have in my life.
We didn't see like that many fish, but just the overall package, like taking the boat out, going to see the blue ocean, and then seeing the amazing coral, and then the instructors and guides were also amazing and took us around. Our wonderful guides from today. Yeah! Definitely recommend coming out to Yabiji if you're out here in Miyakojima, and definitely also recommend getting a full day charter tour, because then you can take a much more leisurely trip and really get to explore and see all that this amazing place has to offer. All right, thanks for watching this video, and see us again in the next part of our Miyakojima trip.
Bye-bye.